Cari crew. Hey, man. It's the following day, as you can see, if you watch my last 2 videos, you know what I'm saying? It's snow everywhere, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Snow everywhere. I just pulled over somewhere, you feel me, just so I can show y'all the outside of Olivia. Like, I knocked a lot of snow off. All this was covered, like, all this was covered in snow. I knocked some of it off, you feel me? But y'all can see, like, them mud, like, you feel me? Crazy. It's crazy, man. We finna get a little POV in. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy or go too far. I really want to slide, though. Because the last video I tried to do it, it was coming down, so I'm guessing, like, you know, you feel me? It's just, like, not, I don't know, it was just sticking. It was sticking then. I need to clear my head, like, I don't know why I didn't do that. It was sticking then, you feel me? But now it's like, it's more slick. But it's already drying up, though. The sun out. It's 30-something degrees, but if you look, like, see how it's dry in some spots? Like, it's already, you feel me? Look like, it's already getting right. But, man, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But we finna get straight into it. I ain't gonna go nowhere too far. I wish I could have gotten the road when it was really the whole road was white. Because I came out here on the golf cart and the whole road, everything was like white, bro. Like, everything. But now, it kind of drying up. More people starting to drive now. As y'all can see, it ain't nothing too crazy. More people starting to drive. You feel me? So it ain't too bad. You just gotta, like, you know what I'm saying, drive slow. That's how it is. You really drive slow, bro. And don't hit the brakes like super duper early. Like, you gotta hit them like super early. But enough of me yapping. You know what I'm saying? Just look at this. Olivia got a fro on their ass. Man. Cause I don't really know what I want to do. Dang, I dropped my other phone down there. Dang, hold on my screen. But yeah, the lens is foggy. I seen it through the reflection. All right, that better. But yeah, cuz, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see. Look at what I look like. This was all that was big, so I knocked that down. I can't even see for real. And I got the flame tone back on. You feel me? I ain't gonna go too far. It's still slick in certain areas. But no people done drove over there and made a path. I can't even see behind me. Look. Hold on. Let me zoom in for y'all. I can't even see behind me for real. Nigga driving a golf cart on the main road. That's what I was doing that morning. But it was just like, oh no. But I don't even know if I'm in the right lane or the left lane. Oh, look at folks outside playing with their kids. How sweet. How sweet and kind. Dang, the store open? Oh, I thought, man, I ain't know the store was still open. Okay then. Alright then. Boy, I got the store open. Boy say, hey, boy, we need you. Dollar General. We need your help, nigga. But y'all see the road, bro? Like, that's nothing crazy. They're gonna be kind of a slow POV, sorry. You feel me? I know it ain't what y'all anticipated, but I don't know nowhere that's open enough for me to really slide. And I ain't even really trying to, you know what I'm saying, go too crazy. I wish I had a 4-wheeler. That's what I really need, bro. A 4-wheeler would be perfect right now. I ain't gonna even hold you. 4-wheeler would be lovely, cuz. Let me get some pops then, though. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I let some ice in. I gotta let this side in. It feels smooth though. You feel me? Like, I got some good tires on the back now. Now, if I'd have had my old tires, I probably couldn't say the same thing. But right now, as of right now, them are not bad. I feel like I can just whip a donut right now. But since I can't go that fast, I'm gonna leave pop some flame for y'all, boy. My flame, so I'm still trying to calibrate and popping it loud as it usually do. Look at them boys, man. crazy. But it's definitely drivable, you feel me? If you ain't just got ball tires, except for like the small parts of ice like that, it's definitely drivable, you know what I'm saying? Like, this nigga pulling trailers and all. It ain't bad. You just gotta know how to drive, nigga. But look at the snow though, bro. Y'all see this, man? Crazy. Crazy, crazy work. Crazy, crazy work. Crazy work, cuz. Go ahead, Ram, brother. Mopar, brother. I'm trying to turn around. Oh yeah, that mother will get slippery. Bro, all that snow just fell in my back window. Look, I can't see nothing. After I hit the gas, all that just fell in my back window, cuz. That's crazy. I can't see nothing behind me. Look at that. Y'all see that? I can't see nothing behind me.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, can't see nothing behind me. Yeah, see like that. When you hit a little pile of snow, yeah, that's you gotta chill out. Damn. I wonder what the cows at, bro. It be cows over here. They gonna put them boys inside. Had to. Oh no, they're right there. I'm tripping. Look at the cow, cuz. Them boys out there chilling. One on laying in it. They like, oh yeah, but it be too hot down here in the GA. Get off of this with the ice here so I can really Damn. No white folk looking like, boy, what the fuck? No white folk looking like, what the hell that is? Yeah, cuz. Y'all should have seen their faces, bro. Them boy like, but hell no. Yeah, but he'll say that. But nah, that junk is fine though. Let me give y'all boys a little sticker. Hold on. Y'all boys a little sticker. Hold on, wait. Sticker! I ain't gonna give y'all no crazy one. Oh. See? You know what I'm saying? When you get over there, now you start going over them pieces of ice like this, that one that mug get a little wicked, you feel me? That one it feel like you on a sled. But as long as that mud like that path I'm going in, as long as it's like that, you good. But boy, once you get to a point where it like ain't none of that, well, you gotta slow down, boy. I'm telling you. Brakes don't even work no more when you're in that part. Not gonna hold you. Only thing you can do is downshift and let the car do its thing. That's all you can do, good. That's all you can do, cuz. But yeah, man, it's just wild though, man. I'm happy though, bro. I kept claiming that it was gonna snow. Cause like it ain't snowed in like 10 years. I almost feel like, you know, I ain't gonna say 10, but like, you know what I'm saying, 7, 8, but it feel like about 10, you know what I'm saying, might well say. But yeah, bro. It's just dope, you know what I'm saying? It's just hard. Olivia's first snow. Probably ain't gonna snow no more ever for the next 8 years, so that's why I'm enjoying it while I can. But yeah, man, it's just hard. It's just tough. Look at them. Got the police boy riding around and getting it ugly. My arm hurt holding the camera up. Yeah, Cari, I know this ain't too much action packed. It's just like a part 2 of In the Snow, but the aftermath, like actually snow on the ground, snow in the grass. Like when I was driving the other 2 videos, it was starting to snow. You feel me? It was starting to snow, not actually snowing. Like, you know, like snow on the ground. Like it done got on the ground already. Gonna turn my traction on track right quick. Do a U-turn. Oh. Damn. That junk is fun, I ain't gonna lie. That junk is fun. I cannot hold you. That bit funny as hell. I need to get some gas. I want to ride through the city though, like, you feel me? But we're gonna see. I probably ain't gonna get it on camera, but I do want to go through the city, you feel me? If I do, I probably put on my Snap. I want y'all boy to add me on Snapchat, bro. Like, it's Cari Beats. You can't. There's a public Snapchat, you feel me? You can see my face on my car, you feel me? So you'll know it's mine. But y'all boy add me on Snapchat at Cari Beats, you feel me? That's why I post every day, like, stuff like I want, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I don't post on YouTube every day. That's what you see behind the scenes stuff. I probably won't record. I probably won't record, you know what I'm saying? Like, make a full video out of it. But I will, you feel me, like, put it on my Snap, you feel me? Because it just makes sense. Trying to get my Snapchat up there, trying to get monetized on Snapchat eventually. You know what I'm saying? It's a long process, but we can do it. You know what I'm saying? As long as y'all boy help a brother out. But anyway, man, that's gonna be a wrap. You know what I'm saying? Nice little snow series with Olivia, you feel me? Y'all comment down below how y'all rocking with the snow or where you from. You know what I'm saying? Where it's snowing there, where you from at, you know what I'm saying? Or if you like what place where, or if you're at a place where it don't snow it. Obviously, if you're in New York or north and all that, it's gonna snow. But if you like down south, bro, and it don't snow like that, and it's snowing, bro, comment down below where you're from, what state you're in. Oh, yeah. But, yeah, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. Give y'all boys another little view. Y'all boys another little view of the snow cub. And hard. I still can't see out my back window. But it cool though. But yeah, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. You feel me? Like I said in the beginning. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. Cari Crew. And also, man, damn, my voice cracking. Boy, finna cry over that bit. And also, man, follow my religion for keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up, stay blessed. Out here in these streets, have faith, bro. Have good faith, strong faith. Faith that you can't even see. Think it ain't gonna work out at the time. Have faith, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in all the end of my videos as well, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.